Cheers.
Cheers.
Bottoms up. Okay, what's up you guys? It's me, Arab Honey. Today we're gonna make some donuts. We called and we asked Krispy Kreme if they could give us the cream-filled donuts, but hold the cream. I don't think this is how you do it. You know, usually you get these bad boys and they're filled with cream, but they're hollow. Making our own filling to put into these bad boys. Engelhofer wasabi. Got ranch, tartar sauce, my favorite. Mayonnaise, that's fun. Sweet Baby Ray's BBQ sauce. We got some bold yellow mustard. And we got these syringes here. It's pretty scary. My favorite is probably going to be the tartar sauce, because I love tartar sauce. I'll eat that with a spoon on a Saturday night. I think my least favorite is gonna be the butter. That's just aggressive. Or the wasabi. Oh my god, it smells so bad. It literally smells disgusting. It felt sexual for some reason. Oh yeah, there's room in there. Okay. Ooh, should I rinse it? Oh, there she goes. Oh, tartar sauce is out. We'll just use the butter. Like, that literally smells disgusting. It smells like burnt hair and Bigfoot's dick. Oh. Here we go. We mixed them all up. We don't know which one's which, so here we go. Sarah? No? Just me?
No, I'll get one too.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bottoms up. Ooh. Oh, I would get the butter one.
Baby, that's like mustard and mayonnaise.
No, it looks like a normal donut. Hey, let me try.
That is fucking mayonnaise.
Oh, it tastes like a hamburger. So we got the butter one down. The mayo's bad.
I need a napkin.
So hot. you gotta try the hot one.
No, man, I got the ranch, bitch.
You gotta try the hot one, bro. It's so hot. Alright, one bite. Come on. You got it. I believe in you. Oh my god, she's fucking nuts on the big ass.
Oh, fuck. Whoa, that tastes like vomit. Did you try the ranch one, bitch? What was that? Was fucking wasabi? Like,
I don't even remember what's left.
oh.
The barbecue's not that bad. That's pretty good actually.
Yeah.
Whole thing.
Fuck. Oh shit.
That one was good.
It kind of tastes like a Cuban sandwich.
You know, we got the whole family together. We made a meal. I suggest trying it with your friends at home. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm Arab Honey. The O is a 0 because I'm nothing.
And make sure to follow me on Instagram, SaintJoe_row.
Great job.